Haters never liked me. I understand though, if your girl dancing over at the strip club, might drop 100 grand, ho. I'm swimming to women, I do the breaststroke. I get stoked, blowing fresh dope from the West Coast, no Chanel. Everyone's rocking with the kid, what the hell? Losing me for real would be a bigger sell. I'm unclipping your bra, giving it raw. She sipping the straw, we breaking the law in Arkansas. Park the car at the bar, trash. Living when I start tomorrow. Could've been on ESPN, but instead I got a fake lesbian in my DM. It's all love for the boy when you see him. Bitches trying to get it in, niggas wanna be him.
Trip, trip, yo, I'm dripping the sauce. 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 Trip, trip, bitches licking it off on my tail, but you gotta get off.
It's lit.
Yes, we lit. Yes, we lit.
Yeah.
Yes, we lit.
Okay, let me keep it simple. I don't like to spread false info. Fake shit gets tossed out the windows. Never stay low, just to throw ahead of limbo. Right out my face. I don't have that much time to put to waste. Better keep it real with you, don't be around me. All my people humble, we don't get rowdy. Never did I say anything that I wasn't gonna do. On the BS, I disapprove like a boss who handles badge up interviews. I'm on that EVK everyday shit, always on the move, day and night shift. Anybody can talk, but can they walk? Middle finger stay flipping like tricks from Tony Hawk.
I don't wanna hear your advice. Why don't you go live your own life? Just because I'm doing things you don't like doesn't mean it gives you reason to be telling me why. I'm on the grind. Got my mind on my money and my money on my mind. My sole focus is always the bottom line, and you'll always keep me winning even if I'm not trying. My eyes on the prize, and I wanna slice of the pie, so just slide to the side. I got my mind right with that hindsight, cause I know that even friends will blindside you like a sideswipe. Through my eyes it's crazy how time flies. I went from pint size to being up in the top 5, and I did it all in just a single lifetime. It's little wonder why there's people trying to bite mine.
Will I